Give it up for Aaron Gordon.
That's a 50. That's a 50. That's a 50. Okay. We'll take that. Wait. Let me see it. Okay.
He's got chips up his sleeve.
He's got bunny. I didn't know he had bunnies like that.
He's got ducks for days.
I didn't know. He does this. That's a 10.
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 That's a great dunk. Watch out. Oh, there it is.
Yes, indeed. Okay, I'm not going to say I've been said this since 2000. It's over, ladies and gentlemen. It's over again. Okay. I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a 10. That is a 10. That is a 50. He took a chance and he won. Don't even gotta wait. Come on, man. He took a chance and he won. Hey, listen to this, man. Aaron Gordon has been the most unique slam dunker in the contest, in the history of the contest. That was amazing. That's a 50. That's a 50. That's a 60.
Fall, who is 7'5".